What's up, guys? So we did end up getting that customer up and cooling. Bad blower motor, and it also needs a maintenance big time. So ended up putting in the new motor. Well, it's in the morning right now. Let me see. You can see that. It's 3:55. I got there around. I think I got there like at 2. But it had more issues than just the motor. It's pretty dirty. It's really gunked up too. So I had to do some extra cleaning. But yeah, which you guys will see that stuff in the video. So as you can see right here, guys, it has not been maintained. As you get a closer look at the blower wheel, you see it's all dirty. Also, the wires on the blower motor are pretty nasty. And then the evaporator coil is also pretty filthy. So we got us a bad motor. I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out. That's the new motor, the Evergreen. And we'll switch that out real quick. Alright guys, so changed out the motor already. I'm going to show you how much dust came out of it, alright? Right there. And right here. And it's still a little dirty. But, oh well. So we're going to go ahead and go put that in and see what happens. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see if it turns on. And there you go. It's turning on. So that means we should be pretty good. The drain was actually draining into that cup you see there. And the pump here wasn't even working. So I fixed it and got it all hooked back up. Now it's draining the way it's supposed to. Now we're going to go out here and check to see if the condenser ended up getting frozen on the compressor. As I was coming to the disconnect, I saw a spider, so I went ahead and moved my hand. But I'm like, yeah, that's crazy. But mainly the big issue here was just to make sure that that compressor was not frozen. Also, all the copper lines, because don't want to start that up if it's frozen. And look at that spider, man. It was just looking at me. And that's it for this one, guys. It's cooling.